This is a CT with contrast of Sridhar Patil showing a tumor in the ethmoid sinuses and going back to involve the sphenoid sinus, entire nasopharynx on both the sides, eroding the floor of the middle cranial fossa, that is the greater wing of sphenoid, but no intracranial extension, no intradural extension as is suggested by the MRI study. It is extending into the parapharyngeal space, infratemporal space, involving the cavernous sinus, but internal carotid artery is seen here. It is few millimeters from the internal carotid artery. We had got a MR angiogram done. There are no feeders from the internal carotid artery. These are axial sections of the same patient showing both the orbits over here, involvement of ethmoid spinous, greater wing of sphenoid eroded. There is intracranial extension, but tumor is extradural. Then these are the pterygoid muscles. This is the mandible extension of the tumor into the nasopharynx, greater wing of sphenoid and pterygoid plates eroded. This is the parapharyngeal component extending into the infratemporal fossa as well. So this is Sridhar Patil. He is of type 3 juvenile nasopharyngeal angiofibroma. This is the left nostril. We have removed the posterior part of the septum, that is posterior septectomy, and entered the right sphenoid sinus. Then this is the septum of the sphenoid sinus. This is the left sphenoid sinus. This is the area of the sella. Then this is the indentation of the carotid artery. We have removed the pterygoid body. This is the Vidian canal. We have removed the medial and the lateral wall of the pterygoid plates. Then further going laterally, this is the area of the cavernous sinus. This is the greater wing of the sphenoid, wherein we can see the dura of the temporal lobe. Further going laterally, we have removed the posterior wall of the maxillary sinus. We have removed the posterior wall, medial wall, and the lateral wall of the maxillary sinus. So this is the floor of the maxillary sinus. Once we have removed the posterior wall of the maxillary sinus, we are able to see the medial pterygoid muscle, and the lateral pterygoid muscle over here laterally. So coming medially again, this is the eustachian tube on the left side. This is the floor of the nasal cavity. Let's stop. So we have excised the angiofibroma, which was extending to all these areas. Stop. This is after removing the posterior wall of the maxillary sinus, we got access to the sphenopalatine artery in the pterygopalatine fossa and the infratemporal fossa. So we have clipped this artery over here with a Liga clip. We have clipped the inferior alveolar artery as well. Inferior alveolar artery as well here. Alveolar artery. These are the fibers of the medial pterygoid muscle running vertically, whereas here we have fibers of the lateral pterygoid which are running laterally. Stop.